Hello everyone. So in this video we will see about local and global scope and global statements. So we all know local variable is a variable if it is declared inside a function. A variable is capable of using only inside a function. So we call them as global variables like other programming language. As of in other programming languages, here in Python we also use global variables and local variables, and where it is declared defines the scope. So if a local variable is declared in one function, so that declaration space we call it as local space of a local variable. If the variable is declared globally, which can be used in entire program, then we call it as global variable, and the scope where it exists is called as global scope. So local scope cannot use variables in another local scopes. So we all know that local variable is meant to use where it is declared, and you cannot use in another function where it is not declared. So we'll see an example. See here we have two functions. So we have two functions. First one is spam and second function is def. So what we have declared here, egg in the spam as declared as 99, here it is declared as 0. So we have two egg variables declared in two different local spaces. But when you call a function spam, it calls a function 1, and printf statement to be executed is print x. So the answer will be printed as 99 but not 0. So if you call a function spam, the value of x will be printed as declared in the local variable of that function. If you call a function beacon, then the printf statement executes, or if you print the statement from beacon, then the value will be 0, but not if you call a function spam. So this is how local variable and local space or local scope work. So here you can use two different names or single name in two different functions. Like here x variable defined in spam function is different variable, and a x variable defined in beacon function is different variable. So two different scopes can define a same variable name, but two are different variables. Okay, next is, so we'll go to next topic. Global variable can we read from local space? Yes, we can read global variables from anywhere in the program. See here we have a global we have a global variable. This is global variable x, and we have one function def spam. So we have defined a function spam as one function, but x is a global variable. Call the function spam. So if you call the function spam, printf statement inside the spam function will be executed. The answer or the values for the variable x is taken from global variable x, and if you print the same value of x from the global space, the same value of x will be printed here also, because here x is a global variable which can be accessed through entire program. So this is how global variables can be accessed to the local space of different functions in the program. So next, local and global variables with the same names. How it works? If there are two variables in the global and in the local as same name, so we'll execute this program and we'll see how it works. So I have a program written here. So this is a program which has so I have a program here for defining global and local variables. So I have a def function, defining a spam function, and defined a beacon function where x are two different local variables. Here x is also having a global variables. What if you call a beacon function? What happens here is our pointer, like point. If you have same function name, same variable name in both local and global variable. So we'll execute this first. Before executing, save it, then run module or use F5. So the program will be run. See, we'll get an output like this. So we'll start executing. Once the program starts execution, variable x in the spam will be declared or defined and given with value. From the another function will be also declared and given value. X globally will be declared and call the function beacon. So once the function beacon is called, it starts executing x beacon local. So first execution starts from the main program, not with a user defined function. So x will be allocated to global, then function beacon is called. Once the beacon executes, so x will be defined for local, beacon local. So once you print beacon local, because the egg value is replaced from global to beacon local. Next, call the function spam. Go to spam function, egg is replaced with spam local. So next printf will be printed with spam local. Next, after execution of spam, it will come back, print x. So here we have two different local variables. So x spam is printed, then you will print egg local, but once it comes to global variable, then again print x. So what happens? It prints global. So whenever you define same variable name in local space and global space, three different variables is created in the memory. Under local space, under the program beacon and spam, there will be two different variables. Under spam, one egg will be like a variable name called x will be created. Under the local space of beacon, a variable name x will be created. Under the global space, again the variable called x will be created and the value global will be saved there. Okay, this is how the program is, this is how global and local variables will be local and global variable spaces used. So variable name x that exists in the local space when spam is called. Again, when you call beacon, so it exists in a local space of beacon. When it is existing in a global space, the variable name x will be taken from the global space. Next one is the global statement. So if you need to modify any global variables from within a function, use global statement. So what happens here? You have x global, so spam print x. So in the function spam, global x is used, means you are using a global value called x, and that x value is replaced with spam. So if you want to replace or modify the variables from the global space inside the function, like inside any user defined function, we have to make use of a keyword global. So this is the keyword used to convert your global variable and use inside the local space. So the x will be declared in the global space, and if you want to use it in different user defined function, so call global and the variable name, then you change the values of that variable name. This is how the program, or this is how the global variable will be used in the local space of the function. I hope you understood the topic. Thank you.